I'm Vikrant. Question consists of two words, each that have a certain relationship to each other, followed by a four-lettered pair of words. Select the lettered pair that has same relationship as the original pair of words. Question is, yawn is to boredom. Solution is, when we say yawn is to boredom, yawn means a person gets bored due to some reason. So we can say that yawn indicates boredom. In the same way, when we say a person is smiling, it indicates that he is amused or he is happy. So smile indicates amusement. So this is the same relationship as yawn is to boredom. So the answer is third. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question consists of two words, each that have a relationship to each other, followed by four-lettered pair of words. Select the lettered pair that has same relationship as the original pair of words. The question is, embarrass is to humiliate. The solution is, when we say embarrass is to humiliate, it means that embarrass or humiliation or insult, these are all synonyms to each other. In the same way, we have to search a pair that is synonym of each other. So the pair is annoy is to exasperate. So the answer is therefore annoy is to exasperate. That is, answer is fourth. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. Two words indicated by 1 and 2 have been left out. The correct word to come in place of 1 is given as one of the four alternative against 1. And correct word to come in place 2 is given as one of the four alternative against 2. Read with the correct words. There is some relationship between two words to the left of sign and same relationship between two words to the right of sign. The correct combination is given as one of the four alternatives. The question is, 1 is to ship. In the same way, sanatorium is to 2. The solution is, now if you look at the options of 1, you'll observe that fold is a place where sheep are kept. In the same way, if you look at the options of 2, sanatorium, we don't keep horses, soldiers or fishes. So the answer turns down to be automatically R. And if you look at the options, there is only one option that is satisfying the same, that is BR. So the answer turns down to be BR. That is, answer is 3. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. A group of 3 words is given followed by 4 other words as alternatives. Choose the correct alternative which is similar to the given 3 words. The question is, sitar is to guitar is to tanpura. The solution is, if you look at all the 3 instruments, that is sitar, guitar and tanpura, all are string instruments, that is they are operated by a string. In the same way, the correct alternative is violin, which is again operated by string. So the answer is therefore second. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. A group of 3 interrelated words is given. Choose the word that belong to the same group. The question is, potato is to carrot is to radish. The solution is, if you look at the options, potato, carrot and radish, they have one common factor, that is they all grow underground. In the same way, if you look at the options, there is only one option which grows underground, that is groundnut. Therefore, answer is fourth. Thank you.